them once again. Alright, mga kapamilya, nais niyo po bang makalapit sa inyong mga iniidolo? Pwes, gagawin natin yan via a game. Okay, meron tayong game. Guys, game ba kayong mag-game? Game ba kayong mag-game? Okay. Ito ang tinatawag natin na bagong-bagong game na gagawin natin mamaya kasi mag-warm up muna tayo, okay? So, sino dito yung mga mahilig sa chismis? Meron ba tayong mga chismosang mga kapamilya dyan? Ako, chismosa ako. Mahilig ako sa chismis. So, meron muna tayong question and answer portion, okay? Meron tayong kasamang 4 na fans, if I'm not mistaken, at sila ay may kinikin nilang mga katanungan sa ating mga love team. Let's start with... Sige, paupuin daw natin ang mga girls para huwag sila masyadong mag-tell. Gaganda naman talaga ng mga banners. Wala naman akong masabi. Alright, okay, let's start with our first fan. Ate, meron ka bang mic dyan o iaakit ko ba ikaw? Pahinga, ayan. Sino po pwede magpahiram ng mic? Can we have one mic? Okay, ate, what is your name?
I'm Jason.
Ate Jason, sige. Para kanino ang iyong katanungan?
I'm James.
For James, go ahead.
James, ano nagustuhan mo kay Bon?
What I like the most about the ball is her smile.
Parang naging, oo nga eh. Ako rin mo, pareho tayo ng iniisip ate. Nakulangan din ako doon. James, please elaborate. Okay? Ano ang nagustuhan mo kay Devon? Sige, umpisahan natin sa physical. Yes.
She's very down to earth.
Physical.
So you like her smile? Yes. What else do you like about Devon?
She's a very happy person to be around.
So my question would be, are you happy when she's around?
Yeah.
Happy ka na, te? Happy na rin ako. Okay na tayo doon. Thank you very much, Ate Jason. Ang ating susunod na question ay, what's your name, sir?
Albert.
Kuya Albert. Sige, para kanino ang iyong katanungan?
Well, my question is for Ivan and Trisha.
Ivan and Trisha. Okay.
Now, first for Ivan, after you say that you're very comfortable with Trisha because marami na kayong photos na super sweet.
Oo, siyempre. Kasama po kami dati. TV days pa. PBB days pa. So yun, lahat po kami. At kami especially.
Ano yung mga photos na super sweet na ito, ha? I-chismis mo nga sa amin, Kuya Albert.
Yung GP, yung first get together nila, they were very close.
Anong itsura nila? Sila talagang magkayakap? Ganyan?
All over Facebook and Twitter, so you can see it.
What? Ay, oo nga naman. Ay, para namang paparazzi shot yan. Hindi naman yan stage. So my question will be, Ivan, are those photos, did you know that they were taking those photos? Or ganyan lang talaga kayong ka-sweet?
Sobrang hindi. Alam mo ba? Did you know that the photos were taken?
Ewan. So you don't know?
No, hindi ko namin alam.
Ay, kaya mga pamilya, ready nyo na yung mga camera nyo. Baka may mahuli pa tayong mga moment. Thank you very much, Kuya Albert. Sino ang ating susunod na magtatanong? What's your name? Charis. Charis? Charis. Okay, Charis. Ang iyong tanong ay para kanino? Okay, Brett and Fritzy.
Doon sa inaabangan naming stage play nyo, which is Romeo and Juliet, may aabangan ba kami yung scene?
Magandang katanungan yan, Brett.
Pwede.
Secret muna, tapos abangan nyo yung stage play namin, Romeo and Juliet. Malapit na po, July 16. Let's talk about that. We all know that when you prepare for a stage play, talagang mahabang oras ang inyong boss together. So, are you...
isang scene?
Ha?
One scene.
Ikaw talaga, Brad? Hindi pa ako tapos eh.
Okay,
O, sige. Isang eksena. Why not?
Your hand is like a holy place, which mine isn't worthy to visit. If you're offended by the touch of my hand, my two lips are standing here, ready to make things better with a kiss.
Wait for the play. Wait for the play.
Wait for the play. At sige nga mga pamilya, sino po ang sumulat ng Romeo and Juliet? Sino po? Ang sumulat ng Christine series? Hindi po. Si Shakespeare. Bongga. So, mga nyo yan, social na play yan. Once again, I have a question for you, Brent. You guys we spend a lot of time together. So, I'm sure you know, you get to know each other. Anong pinakang gusto mo kay Christy?
No need naman na explain kasi everyone knows naman.
Explain mo na. Papinig mo na ako.
Ay, Christy is my best friend. 1 year na eh. So, ikaw, Christy.
What do you like most about Brad?
I like Brad.
No need na. We're best friends. Yeah. And then please, abangan niyo po yung Romeo and Juliet. Super todo po yung acting namin dito. And then, so busy about it. Please, abangan niyo po. Alright. Thank you very much, you guys. And we have, yung susunod mo, what's your name? Jamalyn. Sige, Jamalyn, ano yung question?
Ang question ko po para kay Patrick, pero bago yan, gusto ko po matay kay Philly, tsaka sa ano sa Mommy. Ayun. Kung Patrick, napabalita na may dinidate ka daw na non-showbiz girl. Totoo ba yun? Paano naman po si Annie?
Marami na po talaga akong friends.
Ani kasi
Really, totoo po yun.
So, it's not true na meron kang dinidate na non-showbiz girl. Pero, ang sunod kong tanong doon, is it true na hindi mo raw sinipot si Andy sa inyong movie date? Oh?
Kasi group kami noon, marami kami. And I couldn't make it, so I told her naman. And I wouldn't make it.
Ay, why couldn't you make it?
I have family, affairs.
And okay lang naman sa'yo, Andy, hindi ka ba nagtampo? Hindi ka ba na-hurt?
Kasi it was really traffic that day, so I understand.
Are you... Next time, nga naman, next time na lang. Susunod ikaw ang magbabayad, okay? So you guys are good friends? You guys are dating? Meron bang possibility na may mabuo dito sa pagkakaibigang ito?
Good friends po, good friends.
This good friendship gonna turn into a good boy friendship?
We'll see.
Yung mga bagets at alright, pupalakpakan naman natin ang ating PBB Teen Love Team. Of course, we have prizes for our guest host, kumbaga, yung mga tumayong mga co-host natin for E-Live. Guys, akit naman kayo dahil ang pinakabonggang prize dito ay ang picture with the PBB Team. Mga kapamilya, sino po ba dito ang may Facebook? Sino dito ang may Twitter? Parang hindi naman ako makapaniwala wala masyado may Facebook dyan. Ayan. So, pag may mga Facebook, i-add niyo po kami E-Live Official. You tag yourselves. Andyan lahat ng photo. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, perfect. Woo! Thank you very much, you guys. Okay. I heard you at dahil dyan, meron tayong pa-contest, okay? Now, you guys, meron tayong mga banners na pinagawa sa inyong mga fans. So, ang gagawin ninyo ay pipili kayo ng isa, if I'm not mistaken, per love team na pinaka-gusto ninyong banner, okay? So, tawagin na natin ang ating mga naghanda. Ano na ang uunahin natin? Uunahin ba natin ang jam leaf? Oh, pakitaas ang inyong mga inihandang mga banner. Sige, lahat na po.